Guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel and back for another video. I wanted to try Olaplex, the hair care system. I've seen tons of videos about it. I've heard great things about it. And specifically, I wanted to try it on my fine natural hair. As you guys can see, there's some remaining heat damage from when I straightened it, or no, when I got it straightened in 2019 or the end of 2019. And just some other like fine strands that are looking a little wanky. And I have not done a protein treatment since this last go around straightening my hair, which I posted a video about it. I'll link above. I thought instead of a protein treatment, I will first try this Olaplex hair perfector. This is the #3. This is the most popular formula. There's a #1, #2, #3, and I think a #4. Don't quote me. This is not a protein treatment. This is not a conditioner. This is a bond building treatment. I wanted to clarify that and read to you guys exactly what it is, because I was watching some reviews of this stuff and I was like, no one's saying the same thing. So directly from the website, basically, our hair is made up of bonds, right? And our bonds give our hair structure, strength, and stability. And sometimes those bonds are broken by damage. And for me specifically, heat damage. Also, color can also mess up your bonds, and just different manipulation day by day can also mess it up. Olaplex specifically helps restore damaged and compromised hair by repairing from the inside out with all their patented ingredients. And once all the bonds are intact again and in alignment, you'll have healthy, beautiful, shiny, touchable hair. I wanted to try it because I heard it's really good for fine textured hair, which you guys know is my genre. And of course I want to see if it does anything for these little strangly pieces. Honestly, I've been just snipping at them as they grow out because, like, look at this. They're looking crazy, y'all. So I'm tired of looking at them, and I've just been the snip away queen, like health over length. Okay, honey, like I'm good. There is a little controversy about how to apply this treatment also, which was confusing. So some people apply it to freshly shampooed hair. The bottle actually says to do it before you shampoo your hair, but then it's like,
oh, with a low porosity and there's all this product buildup. So how is the treatment gonna get into our strands?
so what Nelia's gonna do is I'm gonna rinse my hair with some warm water and go from there, because it does say to apply to damp towel dried hair. So I'm gonna just rinse my hair under the shower with some warm water for 10 minutes longer if desired. I've heard people leave it on for 10, 20 to 30 minutes, so I'll probably do 30 minutes. I just got back from the gym, if you can't tell. So let's leave it on for 30 minutes while I cook up something to eat because I'm starving. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll be back after I rinse my hair out with some warm water. All right, so I rinsed my hair with some warm water, and I am gonna have a spray bottle right here because y'all know Lopo hair. You know, it acts like it just absorbed that water. I know it didn't absorb that water. I'm sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder. New camera, y'all know I can't. It's a lot. Just for a reference, this is not cheap. So I paid from Sephora together $29.68. So $30 for a 3.3 fluid ounce of this stuff that you're supposed to apparently use weekly. I'm just gonna split my hair in half. Here we go. To tip. Root to tip. It doesn't feel like a conditioner, which is good because I wouldn't want it to. I can't really tell if it's on there. I guess it is. I guess my hair just sucked it in. I don't know. All right. I'm just gonna like loosely twist that section up. And we're just gonna keep going from here, guys. So. Okay guys, so it's about an hour later. I let the Olaplex Hair Perfector #3 sit for about 30 minutes or so. I shampooed, I deep conditioned, and all I put on my hair was, let me get it. I put on my hair was this Neo Curly Bangin' Curls and this hair milk. I'm actually a really big fan of so far. Still gonna use it and get a full review on it to share with you guys. But anyways, so that's all that's in my hair right now, and it's still very wet. I just wanted to come show you how it's looking. And so here's those little parts. Here a little bit. You can see a little bit. It being wet right now, I feel like it's not a good indicator of anything happening. And I also don't think me doing this for the first time is gonna do anything. I think a few more uses maybe we'll see a better change, but here it is wet. So will say that when I washed this out, there was a new feeling to it. I could definitely feel like the treatment did something, and it kind of felt like a protein treatment after effect when you know like your hair just went through something and it's a little tougher. I don't know how to explain it too well. Okay guys, here we are a few hours later and my hair is still not completely dry, but first of all I want to say heat damage, I don't believe that it can like come back and be the same as it was before. It's definitely going to be a trim situation. Like I'm very aware guys, but it did something. Okay, I can see these are the parts I was telling you guys about. They actually, you know, they're not droopy and saggy like they were in the beginning of the video. Even this side of my head, which is usually my struggle area, is doing much better. So this side of my head is usually like loopy and like not like it is right now. Like you can still see some parts that I will need to trim eventually, but she's doing much better. This side's always doing decent, doing me good. So here's this side. Show me the frame. Yeah. She doesn't look too shabby either. So this gives me confidence that if I continue this treatment, we might have something here. I've heard comments and read things about this little bottle here about how it helped people grow their hair out, especially fine hair. It's made it stronger in a sense, so you know, because fine hair is really prone to like knots and breaking, and that's what I got, y'all. So that's what I'm working with. That's what comes out my head. Like, look at that. This camera is picking up the curls. Okay. My hair feels, it doesn't feel dry or anything. Like, see, there's still some areas that I probably just gonna have to trim and keep it moving, but overall, you guys, I'm happy. The ends look good. I'm happy. Now I'm not gonna keep my hair like this. I do want to get ready for my next protective style, but I'm glad I did this treatment beforehand, so it's nice and strong and ready for that protective style. So stay tuned for that, and let me know if you guys are thinking about trying it down below, if you suffer from any kind of heat damage, color damage, just overall tension damage, all those things. I think this is actually gonna be a really good staple in my routine. Like, I can definitely see myself doing this weekly, and it worked well with my shampoo and my deep conditioner. Like, it's not flaking, it's not causing any trouble. The only thing is it is expensive, but yeah, I do think it's worth it. I might invest in the bigger bottle, but I'm happy with what I'm looking at right now. And this is just, there's no product on my hair. There's just the hair milk, leave it, and that's it, no styler. I hope you guys enjoyed these results. I hope I taught you something. I hope you guys check this out. Let me know down below if you do. The link for it will be down below. It is at Sephora. I think that's the only place it's at. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give me a like if you liked it, and subscribe. Join the family. I'm Neely Bedelia. I do natural hair and lifestyle content once a week at least. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.